Namaste, beloved friends. Welcome back to Beyond Traveling. So, today in this video, I am going to tell you a very powerful practice for our lungs to increase the capacity of the lungs, to heal the lungs fast, to purify the lungs. And if you have any kind of lungs disease like asthma, COPD, or any kind of virus attack on your lungs, so this practice will very much give you relief, and it will give you the strength. The lungs will get power, the energy, the healing energy. The name of this practice is humming breathing. So simple practice, very effective. So this practice you can do by sitting on the floor, on the chair, or you can do the lying down practice. You just lie down in the savasana, spread the hands apart, and then practice this. But in the beginning, try to place the left palm on the abdomen, right palm on the chest. And you have to inhale fully from the abdomen and chest. Slow and deep inhalation. Then now you have to do the humming like this. And when you do the humming, try to focus this lungs area, the chest area. Feel the vibration at your lungs, at your chest while doing the humming. It will make the vibration more strong when you just look at your chest, focusing on the hand and focusing on the lungs, on the vibration. So this practice will give you the soothing effect. This will give the vibration, this energy, this higher energy. When you get this higher frequency, you will get the more energy and more vitality. So just placing the hands like this, fully inhale and making the humming. And try to feel the humming is not coming from your mouth, from your throat. It is coming from your chest region. The humming is coming from your chest region. Okay, you have to feel that, you have to imagine that. So try to take the awareness inside and feeling the lungs and then making the humming. So 3-4 rounds, around 5 rounds you do like this hand position, then relax the hand and then normally fully inhale and then making the sound. But try to focus on your lungs area. Okay, so this is the first variation. In the second variation, you can close your earlobes, this one from the thumbs, okay, like this, and making the humming. So this will more, this practice will bring you more inside. You will feel the more vibration when you close the ears with the thumb, or you can place your fingers up like this on your head. So this also 5 round. This practice 5 round, then this practice 5 round, hand down, then this 5 round. And now again down, again 5 round. So total is 20 rounds you have to practice. Okay, you understand this? 20 rounds you have to minimum. This is the minimum practice, 20 rounds, and slowly you increase the rounds, like every days or in every 2 days increase the 5 more round, 5 more round. So first is this, then second this, then third closing the ears, and fourth is down again. And if you have any kind of this called the earplugs, which is closing the air, is used in the swimming pool. So you close the air and you just sit or lie down and then practice it without placing the hands. You can enjoy that that resonance, this vibration. Just practice. Put the stopwatch or put the some timer you can put, and just continue for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and within this 20-minute practice you will feel the energy. This will bring the energy, this will calming down the mind, whole nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system will activate by automatically by this practice only. This is very amazing and very simple practice. So try to do in the morning or evening time, not after the food, and there is no limitation. But during the headache, during the migraine, you try to avoid this practice. Otherwise, if you don't have headache or migraine, during the migraine or headache, try to avoid. Otherwise, you can practice this. Just sitting or lying down, just making the humming. And try to bring the gentle smile when you hum. This will relax the nervous system, this will calming down the mind, body. It's amazing practice given by the great yogis. Yeah, so try to do this practice, try to feel this amazing effect. This practice are amazing, wonderful. They are scientifically proven practices. So don't just think about them, just practice it. Just close the eyes and just enjoy, just enjoy, just enjoy. This will heal your body, this will heal your mind, this will give you the internal happiness, health and strength. So take care, love you all, bye bye. See you in next video. Take care.